It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 2nd of March. I'm Michael Groff. Since last we spoke, we've started meteorological spring, and it's going to feel like it later this week, but not before we see some windy conditions, cooler temperatures, and even a chance of rain in here for today. How much rain might we get, and how warm will it be by the end of the week? Well, we'll talk about it first. Let's take a look at the month of February, which we just wrapped up. The climate statistics are in. It tied for the 44th warmest February here in Phoenix, and with 1.34 inches of rain, it was the 22nd wettest on record. All right, and yesterday in the valley, we got up to 77 degrees for the afternoon high, 53 the low, the normals, 73 and 51. And outside now, here at 7:15 a.m., the sun rising over the valley, partly sunny skies out there, 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 35, humidity 54%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 40 degrees, the cold spot at Goldfield. A number of spots are in the mid and upper 40s, but the warm spots, the urban core, low to middle 50s. The upper air look shows an area of low pressure along the southern California coast. That'll be moving east-southeastward into northern Mexico and along the southern Arizona border later today and tonight. The watch warning map is pretty quiet across the country. Some wind advisories, though, for parts of southern California. No advisories as of this moment here in Arizona. Convective outlook for today. We've got the slight risk of severe storms around Memphis, Tennessee, some of the adjacent areas there as well. The marginal risk for a fair portion of the deep south. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so there is a chance of some thunderstorms, and we'll outline that risk in a moment. Precipitation for the next 7 days, a few hundredths of an inch of rain possible here in the valley. That's about all we can hope for from this system. Heavier totals are going to be confined to our south and east, as we'll show you now. As we take a look at the models and check it out, this is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low moving southeastward into northern Baja, and that's where it's going to stay today, is mainly to our south as it scoots along and just south of the international border. That's where the main dynamic support and moisture will be with this system. So down at the surface today, will become mostly cloudy by this afternoon, and yes, widely scattered, maybe even scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. But the nature of the rain, as I said, will be scattered, and it will generally be light. Yes, you could get parked under a locally heavy shower, but most of us are not going to see much rain, if any at all, with this feature today. The best chance will be found over southeast Arizona and across northern Mexico. It will be breezy to locally windy at times today, and high temperatures will be cooler in the mid-60s. Looking at the high-resolution models, this is the HRRR at 5 o'clock, the simulated radar product, and it does show some widely scattered or scattered showers here over southern Arizona, but really nothing to write home about. Atmospheric instability, these are the CAPE values at 5 o'clock, and a few hundred joules per kilogram. So certainly there could be an isolated thunderstorm, but severe weather is certainly not a risk that we're concerned about with this feature. All right, tonight, a continued chance of showers in the evening. Then we'll see that moving on out of here as this low moves off to the east. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny skies return to the valley. A few showers in southeast Arizona, though. High temperatures back into the low 70s. Low to mid 70s on Wednesday, sunny skies. Thursday, sunny, highs upper 70s to near 80. And Friday, a few clouds, and high temperatures should be in the low to middle 80s. Saturday, we'll start to see the influence of a broader area of low pressure begin to develop well off the west coast. More of a southwesterly flow develops. Some clouds will be in here, and I think temperatures will start to back off a bit, back into the upper 70s to near 80. And then Sunday, highs somewhere in the mid 70s, and again with partly cloudy skies. All right, as we go out to next week, this is Monday, the 9th of March, and we could start to see a significant pattern change here. Some of the models are hinting at that, at least. This run of the GFS shows a fairly significant system well off to our west, a broad southwesterly flow in here. Plenty of clouds around, and temperatures would be cooler. And then going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Wednesday, the 11th of March. The GFS has this system approaching the west coast. Again, southerly to southwesterly flow, and yes, we'd have a pretty decent shot at some rain in here. Some models suggest significant rain, some models show nothing at all. Obviously, the spread is really high out here, but obviously, we'll keep an eye on this situation and see how it develops. All right, temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period will warm it up for the week, and it's got us up at 84 degrees on Friday. That is certainly possible, and then cooler by the time we get out toward next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Monday.